today with another video. But before I get started all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already. And if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Now today's unit is going to be brought to you by the company CurlyMe. I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area for you all. But let's go ahead and open this box up. Take this bow off. Move it to the side. It does come in this bag right here, and you also get a drawstring bag. There's some lashes, 2 wig caps, an edge band, and an edge brush. Also just a little booklet on some hair care tips and everything like that. You can see this looks like some long hair, so let's see what it is. Now this is their HD 9x6 water wave wig. This one is in the length 28 inches. Yes, I said that right. 28 inches this is what your lace area looks like. They went ahead and pre-cut the lace. They also pre-bleached the knots, and you also get a pre-plucked hairline. This also is the 𝐓𝐞𝐴𝑝 wig. So you get your removable adjustable elastic band, get removable combs in the nape area, also a removable comb on each side. Also get your C-shaped design so that it can sit more comfortably by your ear. Your Swiss lace, so it blends in a little good to my skin. I feel like it's just a tad bit too light, so I'm just going to go ahead and add a very small amount of my tint spray right to the edge part, and then I'm gonna come back on camera and try this on for you all. This is what it is looking like on. Like I told you all, I went ahead and added my tint spray to the very front of the hairline. I just added a little bit off of camera, and it made this lace blend in really well. Like you can barely see the lace. That's how good it's looking. Just trying to make sure I pull. I feel some little hairs underneath, so I'm just trying to make sure that everything is sitting the way it's supposed to sit. But yeah, I mean, it's on, and I don't have anything on it. That's how good it's looking. So this is the parting space area. You can see my cap right here a little bit. I think I pulled it back some when I put the wig on. That's okay. I'll add a little powder right there. And then of course, you can part this on the side if you would like. Okay, this is about as far as you want to go before you start running into tracks. However, you do have this lace right here to make it look like a frontal, but this is about as far as you want to part as far as the parting space goes. And then of course, if you want to come to the other side, you could definitely do that also. And as far as the front of the hairline goes, I think they did a good job with plucking the hairline. So if you're a beginner and you are worried about if you're gonna have to pluck or anything, I don't think you're gonna have to. It looks really good. Now y'all know I'm only 5'2", so I know this is gonna be a lot of hair for some people. I already know it is. 28 inches. I mean, of course, once I add my product and everything in, then it's not going to seem as long, but woo, yes ma'am. This is a lot. This is a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair. I didn't even tell y'all about the fit. So the fit on this is fine. I could probably work with the side a little bit and make sure it lays down really flat because that comb is right there, but my ear isn't bending on this side. My ear isn't bending on this side. It's just really, I had to kind of adjust that part back here to make sure it was fitting super comfortable, because I did not want to have to worry about it making my ear bend or hurt or anything. But for the most part, the fit is good. There's a little bit of gappage in the back, like a very small amount, but up in this area, she's snug, she's fitted. I don't think she's going to move at all. I'm gonna go ahead and get this unit together, play around with this hair. The waves look really good straight out of the box, so I'm probably going to show you guys just fluffed out if you wanted to do it like this, and then if I add product. So we'll see. I'm just gonna play around with it, and I'll be back to show you guys the final looks and also to tell you guys my final thoughts. See, this is a lot of hair, but the good thing is I feel like the hair was very easy to work with. Now, to install this unit today, I just used a little bit of my olive oil mousse at the front of the hairline. I did tell you guys that I added my tint spray off of camera. I also put a bobby pin on each side because it was like a little bit of lifting right in this area, and I did not want to have to go in and use any adhesive spray. But it laid down fine. It's not moving. I did not want to use those combs. They're very tiny combs on the side, so it's up to you. And like I told you guys, they are removable, but because of the way they are sitting, I just didn't want to use them. I am using the comb in the nape area for extra security, and I have my band tightened up all of the way. But the lace, let's get into this lace. The lace is laid, okay? She is looking good. Like, look at that. Look at that lace. Really good job with the front of this hairline. After I added my mousse to the front, I went ahead and tied it down with their elastic band, and I just started fluffing up the hair. I did not put any product in this hair when I was doing the middle part, and also when I got ready to do like the little cute half up, half down style, I didn't put any product in. I moved it to the side part. I went ahead and added a little bit of product to the front and also to the ends, just because I started to like run my fingers through, and it still gave me a very nice wave pattern. You guys know sometimes when you add your product in, it won't come off looking like how it does with the way it came out the box, but it dried down really nicely. Now keep in mind also, I did not wash this unit, so I'm pretty sure once I wash it, it's going to look a little bit different, but it's still going to give you that nice wave pattern. And me adding that product in the water, I can tell it's still going to be nice. It ended up getting a little bit of shedding as I was running my fingers through, and then tangles. I'm not getting any at the moment, but come on now. It's water wave hair. This is a very, very good density. A very, very, very good density. Like, look at this. Look at this. You are getting your money's worth when it comes to this unit. It is full all the way around. You're not gonna have to worry about any tracks showing. It's not feeling thin at all. With the fall and the winter coming up, Miss Ma'am gonna keep you warm. She gonna keep you warm because look at this. 28 inches in length. Like I said, I'm only 5'2", so I know that for some ladies this is just going to be too much hair, but make sure you check the website so you can see what other lengths that they offer. The ends on this are really nice. I did not put any Sleek and Shine serum throughout this hair. I love the color of this hair. It's a natural black color and I feel like it looks really good. This is definitely, like I said, going to be perfect for now. And like I said, you can wear it throughout the fall and winter time just because of how nice and full this hair is. This one definitely gets my stamp of approval. I'm feeling this girl. Let me know what you guys think about this unit, and if you are feeling this one, I am going to make sure to leave all the links down below in the description area. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.